Are you looking for the best UV water purifiers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best UV water purifiers. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the SteriPen Adventurer Opti UV Personal Water Purifier. You can't always count on where you'll get your next drink of water from, and if you and your family are out on an adventure, you might not feel safe at that public water fountain or campground spigot. That's when the SteriPen comes in handy. This personal UV water purifier, when placed in a cup or water bottle for just 48 seconds, kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria from viruses to microorganisms like Giardia. Made specifically for adventuring, this handy device is safe and effective without altering taste, pH, or other properties of the water. Plus it doubles as an emergency flashlight when needed as well. It's reusable for purifying more than 2,000 gallons of water, meaning you'll save plenty of money on bottled water, and this is a much greener option. It comes with 2 County Route 123 batteries so you can start using it right away. This package also includes a handy neoprene case with a belt loop for easy portage on hikes and walks. The SteriPen Ultra features an OLED display to let you know when your water has been purified, but it's a feature that raises the price quite a bit. According to the blog from Crux Range, a SteriPen is the key to safely hydrating while you're out in the wilderness. Moving on at number 4, we have the Brio Countertop Self-Cleaning Water Cooler with UV. When you're looking for filtered water to drink at home or on the go, but you don't want to mess with difficult installation of an inline UV water filter, the Brio Countertop Self-Cleaning Water Cooler filters, disinfects, and delivers delicious water in one compact unit. This bottle-less water cooler can give you crisp cold, room temperature, and even hot water for refreshing drinks or a piping hot cup of tea. This features a dual water filtration system with a sediment filter that removes dust, rust, and other particles, as well as a carbon block filter that removes chlorine, cloudiness, odd tastes, and odors. It uses powerful UVC light to disinfect and kill 99.99% of disease-causing microbes, so you'll always get water that's fresh. The dispenser is large enough to fill almost any size cup or bottle, and it even features an LED nightlight to make filling up in the dark a breeze. A simple control panel makes choosing your water temperature as simple as a push of a button. The stainless steel exterior looks sleek and modern in any kitchen. Filters are easily accessed and changed from the back of the unit. At number 3, we have the Express Water UV Reverse Osmosis Water Filtration System. When you're most concerned about the safety of the water in your kitchen, an under-sink UV water filtration is a great solution to killing germs and bacteria, as well as filtering out other undesirable components in your drinking and cooking water. This Express 11-stage reverse osmosis UV water filter system filters out 108 major contaminants, keeping you and your family safe and healthy. Many times, filtered water can taste flat and flavorless, but this system actually mineralizes your water much like a natural spring, passing it through 5 layers of natural rocks to add ionically activated minerals. An alkaline filtration system adds calcium, potassium, magnesium, and other minerals that your body needs. With 11 stages of filtration to remove sediment, chemicals, metals and more, water passes through a UV light filter that kills 99% of germs and bacteria before going through a final post-activated carbon filter to ensure purity. Because this water has been deionized, it's also safe to use in aquariums and humidifiers, in addition to being delicious to drink. This system comes with a chrome faucet that delivers 0.8 gallons of water per minute and can easily be installed next to your main kitchen faucet. It's an easy-to-set-up process, thanks to the simple Quick Connect system, and many components are pre-assembled, which is a bonus compared with some other under-the-sink systems. The system can produce up to 100 gallons of filtered water per day, and because it comes with a 4-gallon storage tank as part of the system, you can fill plenty of glasses, cooking pots, and more while the tank continuously refills. Want to know more about reverse osmosis and how it works? This video explains it well. At number 2, we have the APEC Water System's Reverse Osmosis UV Water Purifier. When you want to enhance water purity and reduce alkaline taste, the APEC Reverse Osmosis UV Water Purifier is an under-sink solution that will add to your water quality as well as your peace of mind. This 7-stage filtration system comes with a versatile water feed adapter, so it will fit most 3/8 inch or 1/2 inch connections underneath your kitchen sink. While you're enjoying the pure taste of delicious water, this system is busy removing up to 99% of contaminants including arsenic, chlorine, lead, fluoride, heavy metals, bacteria, viruses, and more than 1,000 other contaminants. It includes a cartridge that uses food-grade calcium from trusted sources to raise your water's pH levels safely and effectively while adding calcium minerals for better taste and alkalinity. This system removes sediment and rust. An extruded carbon block gets rid of unpleasant chlorine, tastes, odors, cloudiness, and removes VOCs and other common chemicals from the water. The reverse osmosis membrane removes up to 99% of dissolved solids. Water then passes through a UV light filter to kill 99.99% of bacteria and microbes in the water. Water then passes through a coconut carbon filter to remove any additional bad taste and then remineralized via the calcium filter. This system comes with all the filters, parts, and tubing necessary for installation. It filters 75 gallons per day, and it includes an under-sink storage tank so the system can continuously filter and fill. It also includes a lead-free designer faucet. And finally at number 1, we have the Aquasana Whole House Well Water Filter System with UV Purifier. If you live rural, there's a good possibility you live on well water, which can frequently have contaminants from metals to coliform bacteria to chemicals. This well water purifier from Aquasana is the ideal way to ensure your family has clean and safe water to drink, wash, and cook with. This whole house system includes everything you'll need to ensure your well water is safe and soft. It includes a Rhino whole house water filter that removes 97% of chlorine, water-soluble heavy metals, and inhibits bacteria and algae. Activated carbon reduces herbicides, pesticides, and other harmful chemical compounds. The Simply Soft Whole House Descaler is a salt-free system that reduces scale and corrosion that can build up in your pipes and water heater. This system provides maximum filtration, yet it's seriously low maintenance as filters last for 5 full years. A pre-filter reduces sediment and rust, while a post-filter takes out the remaining sediment and other organic particles. Finally, water runs through a UVC light filter that kills 99.99% of harmful bacteria including viruses, which we're all focused on right now. Coliform, which is much more common, can cause gastrointestinal upset and flu-like symptoms, per the experts at Penn State University. This system has even more benefits. You'll have softer skin, healthier hair, and because of the descaler, you can use less bleach and detergent, which is better for the environment overall. The system and filters can handle up to 1 million gallons of water. You can also get a 10-year UV water purifier system for homes not on wells. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.